Hey, my name is Jared and I'm a occupational therapist and lymphedema therapist. And this is my review of the OXO couch hair remover and the Chom Chom couch hair remover. These are my secret weapons for cleaning my house with my animals. They were actually referred to me by a friend that has 3 small animals and a lot of white couches. So I always wondered how she kept her house clean, and it was really these 2 devices. So with this device here, it comes in a stand and you pull it out, and the material that it's made out of, it actually collects the hair that's on the couch. So you brush the couch in whatever direction it's pointing in, either the left or the right. You take it and you sweep across. And this will collect any of the hair throughout the sweeping. You then push it back in the device, and it has a little cap that goes on the end. And for our purposes, you can kind of see that it will collect the hair right in that device. Now with the Chom Chom, I really like this. This has a little catch right here that you open and close to help get rid of the hair after you are brushing with it. This is also used this way. You push forward and backwards with the device to collect the hair on any of the couches or the furniture that you have. I was really amazed by these 2 devices. Even though I'll vacuum and vacuum up the furniture, there's still always a little bit of animal hair left over. But this really helps to get rid of any of the hair that's still there. So I hope you take a look at these devices. That's it.